What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. What we're doing today, we're gonna be working on the semi truck, but right now we're just out of the basement, just got done editing and everything like that. So computer's been working really good. This thing has been a monster, and we will do a review on the sim racer very soon because just need to get more content for these daily videos. We are on today is actually the 30th day we have been recording, which is awesome. Right, Shadow? Right, Shadow? It's always a good day. We've been doing for 30 days. 30 days, girl. So that's really good for me because I don't think I've ever got 30 days. I think I've always gone to probably 2 weeks and probably just always fell off. This thing is basically what really got us there though, because like I said, there's days where it's like, you know, like I said, work and stuff. It's just like by the time I get home to do everything, it's like, all right, let's just do a quick race video, which these videos don't do well. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, these videos don't do well. So, you know, I'm just doing them just to keep the streak going and just talk to you guys a little bit, you know, give you guys at least a little bit of entertainment, but they don't do very well. So, you know, in all honesty, I prefer to go outside, go work on that big guy right there, and rather do that stuff and go work on, you know, building cars and stuff like that than doing racing videos like this. You know, this I got to help me do racing without just putting a lot of money into it, but I'm really just kind of really urging to get into the car itself. But hey, Shadow Waddle, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, girl, let's go. Here she comes. Here she comes. Ah, there she is. Where's the Mimai? Where's Mimai Mo? Mimai? Mimai? Oh, he must be in the bedroom. Mimai? Good morning. Good. What do you look all like squished out for? You're like, look. Oh, hello, Shadow. Oh, we found Mai. We found Mai. We found the Mai. Oh, look at the Mai. Look at the Mai. Oh. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Oh, you little runty. You little runty doggy. You little runt. So you can stay here, buddy. I was just checking where you're at. That was it. You keep staying asleep. Alright, so Shadow, my Waddle. And here's the big payoff. Nice. Alright, for one, I got to get changed because I can't be in these clothes because these clothes are my good clothes. But it is 80 degrees out. Let's feel the air. Holy shit, it's hot out here. Alright. Wow, my hands are cold from being in the basement. Alright, so yeah, so we're gonna go get dressed. Then we're go out there and I guess go see what we can get off that engine from our or see what we can put on that engine, because there's some parts we gotta still put on that engine from the old engine. Everything's off, I believe. I just gotta put it on there and actually then go into what do you call it? Go order the gasket so I can put some of the stuff that oh wait, I can't. Oh shoot, I can't put it together. All right, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do now. All right, we're gonna uncover it, look over everything, see what we need to get, and then we'll see what we can get after. See what we can do after that. All right, guys. So we're not gonna be touching really the engines over here. Basically, there's really nothing for us to do besides to take it apart. Which I'm just gonna, when I order the parts, I go off a diagram, so I know exactly what I need anyways when I'm looking at the diagram. So I'll do a little later tonight. But what we're gonna do, actually, we're gonna pull my car up to here. We're gonna wash it, get it cleaned up, get the inside cleaned out. Maybe we'll jump into Frank a little bit here. And maybe just talk about some stuff with the channel and talk about what's going on and, you know, what some ideas I have for future content. Alright, so I'm gonna get Blueberry washed up here. We might hit the inside, we may not. We may go to the gym real quick after we do the outside. But see where we go, see what time it is, and we'll go from there. But we'll get this thing nice and shiny blue again. One thing, guys, if you guys are gonna dry your cars with a microfiber especially, use a shore wax. I say actually it really does help. I already sprayed on there a little bit, but just spray it on there. It helps just keep it moist and, you know, lets the tile glide over the paint without scratching it. So I always spray around there, and then I just go right over the towel, let the towel just glide right over the car. All right, guys, so here's the finished detail of it all. Shit looks beautiful again. I always hate when this car, this car needs a lot of paint work. I need a new hood, / just repaint the hood. But it might just be, all right, it's not cheaper to replace the hood, but I may want to put a new hood on this, just make it a little cooler. But other than that, it came out pretty damn cool. Came out good, shiny. I just gotta wait for the tires to dry before I put my tire shine on them, which I'll show you guys, well, I'll probably show you guys that in a little bit, but other than that, we're gonna go probably hit the gym. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? 4:05. I think it's kind of perfect timing. So half hour there, half hour back. That's 5. Hour at the gym, 6. So all right, 2 hours, 2.5 hours probably. We get home around 6:30 probably. So I'll probably get home around 6:30, and yeah. And then by the time that comes, I should be able to put that tire spray on. All right, guys, so I'm not going to the gym today. Actually, it's just too late, honestly. I want to get some stuff done. So we're gonna go over here real quick. We're gonna put some of the stuff on the wheels. All right, so we got the tires all shined up here, guys. now that I got these all shined up, the car is at least done for now. She's, you know, cleaned up for enough. I'll probably come back and clean the inside maybe if I have time. But for right now, I'm about to go walk the dogs, get them out of the house for a little bit. They need to get out. Hey, babies. What you doing, baby girl? We're gonna go for a walk now, okay? Where's my mic? Is that the my over there? All right, let's go, baddies. So let's just update you guys with Shadow. Her lumpy lump on her tail. It might be getting smaller, but you know, I won't really know until. We won't really know anything until, you know, in a little bit. You know, it's gonna probably take a week for me to be like, all right, this is what it is, or it's not what it is. So for now, we're gonna take you guys for a walk, get them out. Beautiful day out, freaking hot, but beautiful. All right, guys, I'm just cleaning out the car. I see got a whole bunch of shit in the trunk that needs to be cleaned out. It just piles up because I just constantly just keep going, and it just, you know, builds up. So. But that's when you're a go-go person, everything gets freaking dirty real quick. Like I only cleaned this like a month ago and it got filthy so quick. That's a bad gift card. I don't have any numbers on you guys to steal it, but it's gone anyways. I think I used it before, so this got to be returned. So we'll leave that right here on the windshield actually. Woohoo! All right. So that there, that's my tweezers. I don't know if they're in here anymore, are they? Oh, nothing over there. Oh god, no, I need to vacuum this shit. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it off here. So as you see, I'm just cleaning out my car. There's a lot of shit in the trunk. So I'm a go person, so I just keep going. Put in the trunk, and then a month later I got a bunch of clothes and blankets and just things I just throw in the trunk. I was like, oh, it's easier to do this. But I see the sun's going down, so almost time to cook dinner, and then yeah, that'll be the end of the night. I'll be editing this video for tomorrow. Today, actually no. Oh no, today's the 5th. Oh no, okay, so yesterday is actually the 30th video. I think today, well no, yesterday's video I recorded was the 30th. Today is the 30th video, so today's actually should be the 31st video of daily vlogging, or daily videoing. I'm not really calling it vlogging really. I'm trying to keep it more car content than anything, but yeah, so listen guys, if you guys enjoy the videos, please like down below. It helps out the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Do your taste, follow dreams. Don't let anything away. Stay Maverick. I'll see you guys next one.